Good evening. I go to talk about this country, Colombia. Is my country, Colombia. In the world before country for me. Colombia is country located in the extreme north of South America. Its large caves as tropical forests. Its capital in the city of Bogota, which belongs its department of Cundinamarca. It's a national symbol are the flag, which consists of yellow and blue and red color, shared on the national anthem, considered the second most beautiful anthem in the world. Its main cities are Medellin, Cali, Barranquilla, and Bogota. The geographical aspects of Colombia are cataloged as follows: the climate tropical, its main mountain range are the Andes, that form the Central Eastern Cordillera and Occidental and Central y Oriental. The most important river, Magdalena, Cauca, Putumayo, and Amazon. The the typical dishes are the sancocho, the bandeja paisa, the digus de tamal, and the sculptures, the dances, a traditional music are the cumbia, the fandango, the joropo, the bullerengue, and the vallenato. The place of tourist attractive. We have the Coffee Artist Natural Park, the Island of San Andres Sanctuary, Owl, Cha Señora del Rosario, Caño Cristales, Tatacoa Desert, Panaca, Lot City Coco Valley, La Gorgona Island, and the Tayrona National Park. It's the economic sources. After oil, we have agriculture and forestry. There are also construction, trade, and tourism. The Colombia population is ethnography composed by indigenous, Afro-Colombian, white and gypsies. In the religion aspect, It's considered a country with a Catholic majority. The Colombian government is social democratic and currency is the peso. Colombia, country of the flowers. Thank you so much.